If you need to recover your TransUnion account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the TransUnion website. Go to the official TransUnion website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Step 2. Choose Alternative Recovery Options. Select the option that allows you to recover your account without email. This may include using your phone number or answering security questions. Step 3. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Receive a recovery code. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a recovery code via text message or through another method provided. Make sure to check your messages for this code. Step 5. Reset your password. Enter the recovery code on the TransUnion website and follow the prompts to create a new password. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. After completing these steps, you should have access to your TransUnion account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting TransUnion customer support for further assistance.